A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Hello and welcome to another studio vlog. So this week is shop update week. Today is Monday, June 29th. Monday? It's Tuesday, girl. So on Sunday, I had to take Yuki to the hospital because she had a kidney infection. I didn't know that there was something wrong until she threw up. So I took her and they found a kidney infection. She's doing much better now. You know, they give her a couple injections. I'm giving her her medicine daily. But that was a whole ordeal, really a stressful event to top off dealing with having to integrate these two cats, but they're doing pretty well now. This Saturday is a shop update for patrons. It is Friday, you get it a day early, but you guys saw me working on a new punch needle thingy. I kind of accidentally made this a little bit straight and then this one a little bit curved, so I'll probably just like add on one of these sides. But doing a little tiger because I've been obsessed with tigers lately. I'm probably gonna do one or two more of these. I might sell them for the shop update. I'm not sure yet because I have to sew them. I think the last ones I did, I was just sealing them on the back, but I'm gonna want to sew them, honestly. It's gonna be a lot easier to do that. But yeah, Mr. Froggy is done. Now we're gonna do a Mr. Tiger, and I'll probably do another one, maybe two more. So today I had therapy. Yesterday I had a really nice self-care day. I haven't just taken a day for myself without filming or worrying about work in a very long time. Yesterday was a very nice day to do some self-care. I re-bleached my bangs, which I kind of messed up along the edges, but it's okay. I painted my nails, I cleaned the whole apartment, I did laundry. So I feel really good and ready to start out the week. Okay, so this is about as far as I've gotten with my little tiger. I forgot to do the red of the ears, but that's gonna be red too. I'm just kind of trying to decide on the fur and the eyes because I'm not a big fan of orange, so I don't have any orange yarn, but I do have like this nice mustardy color. And normally I would do a tiger's eyes green, but I don't know, I just feel like these colors won't be optimal, so I'm thinking about changing the color of the eye, or I might randomly be like, the tiger's gonna be blue or something. But yeah, trying to decide what color to make my little friend. I went to Michael's and I bought some big needles to sew in the edges. I bought some more Speedball ink. I just wanted to buy red. Oh, that's Sam. I just wanted to buy red, and he's coming up here. Say hello. Say hello. He's really bored right now. He just wants to play. It's like a little set that came with black. I already have black. Red, yellow, and blue, which I guess is good. You know, I'll end up using all of them. But yeah, this was the only colored Speedball printing ink that they had, so I bought some of that. I bought another block of the same size, and I bought this big boy. Ooh. I bought this big boy just because I really enjoyed last week's block print, so I'm gonna try to do some more. through. You guys never come in here anymore. I just came back home after picking up Salem from his neuter surgery. So he's gonna be living in the bathroom again like he was before. Yuki did not recognize him and she freaked out, but after he used the litter box where she used the litter box, she got used to his smell again. But yeah, my poor baby had surgery. Yeah, so the shop update is now live for patrons. Tomorrow it'll be live for everyone. And then I did all that all day, and then I had to go pick up Salem from his surgery because I dropped him off in the morning. Yeah, I had a very busy day. I did get like a few clips. The t-shirts are selling really fast. Like I've already sold about half of them, which is insane, and it's only been patrons. So thank you so much to my amazing patrons. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. New day. Hi, hello. It is July 7th and I am still packing for the shop update. I'm only about a third of the way done, and I decided to make this rule of doing 50 orders a day. I don't know if I already told you guys that or not, but yeah, so I'm taking it a little bit slower, but it feels a lot more efficient. But yeah, we're still packing for the shop update. But after I finish up my 50 for today, I am thinking about doing some air dry clay. I don't know, something new, something spicy that I haven't done in a while. So we'll see what that consists of. So you just saw me try to make an air dry clay tray. I'm trying to make a little house, but oh, look at that. From what I have done in the past with air dry clay, I'm not very good at it. And I'm pretty sure I don't have my clay tools anymore. So don't even know if this is gonna work out, but we'll see. If not, I will keep trying different methods. That was my attempt for the day. It did not turn out the way that I wanted, but it's fine. We'll see how it dries, and maybe I can pick up some ceramic tools to help shape it better and stuff. But yeah. So cute today. My hair really did its thing today, but I lost all motivation because it's so gloomy outside. It literally has not stopped raining all day, except like in the morning and around noon the sun was still out, so it was just like sprinkling, but now it's just fully gray. It's like even dark in my apartment, and my brain is like, oh, that means it's time to go to sleep. So I have zero motivation now. And I wanted to show you guys the plants that I got from my patio, but I can't because then they won't look pretty because the sun isn't out. This is as much as I can show you guys. But it's raining and it's very wet outside, and it's not a very motivating weather today. So I am gonna play Animal Crossing for the rest of the day. I wanted to be good and pack some orders and sketch, but I haven't played Animal Crossing in so long and I miss it so much, so I want to visit my island and see my villagers and stuff. So I am gonna play Animal Crossing for the rest of the day. Don't judge me. So I have finally finished July's digital download / printable, and I did this little print of Salem with breakfast on him. Been really wanting to finish up this concept of him just like being a table for many things, and I decided to do like a little breakfast spread for him. So yeah, that is July's digital download for patrons that are in tiers that get digital downloads, but I'm super happy with it. I'm gonna be hanging it up. So, hello, it is photo booth me again. I am here to close out this vlog. I know this vlog was much shorter, and I think I tend to have a very bad habit of when something doesn't go exactly how I want it to, then for the rest of the vlog, I feel very anxious and like stressed because I didn't film something the way that I wanted to, or I forgot to film something, so then I get very like, oh my god, it's ruined. But it's not, because life is crazy like that, and these vlogs are literally just about me living my life as a small artist. So I think I have to learn to accept that. But this vlog was a little bit shorter, but I promise next week's will not be. I feel very motivated to film everything, even if I think it won't be interesting. But yeah, shop update. is live, still packing. Thank you so much for your support. You have no idea how much it means to me. I really missed doing shop updates, and I will see you guys next Sunday. So before I close out today's video, I quickly want to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. I love Squarespace. They're amazing for sponsoring all these videos for me, and they're actually the platform that I've always used to run my own business and website even before our partnership. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website. Squarespace has a long list of tools that you can use to better your website. The design tool is my personal favorite. It's super easy to use, but if you're good at coding and all that good stuff, you can do that as well using Squarespace. The website analytics on Squarespace help out a bunch. It helps you know how your website is doing. And I personally use the commerce tool because I have a store that I run on my Squarespace site, and it really helps me keep organized with my orders that come in. So if you are interested in starting a free trial at Squarespace, you can go to squarespace.com and use my code for 10% off your first purchase.